Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Throwball for beginners. Throwball is an exciting non-contact team sport, perfect for all ages. It involves two teams of 7 players on a rectangular court, separated by a net. The objective is simple: throw the ball over the net so the opposing team cannot return it, causing it to hit the ground. The court measures 11 meters by 22 meters, and the net stands at 2.2 meters for women and 2.43 meters for men. Let's dive into the basic rules, starting with the serve. A player initiates play by serving the ball from behind their team's end line, aiming to get it over the net and into the opponent's court. Crucially, players must catch the ball with both hands and throw it back over the net without delay. Holding the ball for more than 3 seconds results in a fault, giving the other team a point. Scoring in Throwball is straightforward. A point is awarded when the ball successfully lands within the opponent's court boundaries, or if the opposing team commits a fault, such as hitting the net or holding the ball too long. After a team wins the serve back, all players rotate one position clockwise. Matches are usually played as the best of 3 sets, meaning the first team to win 2 sets secures the victory. To excel in Throwball, focus on a few key techniques. Practice your throwing accuracy and catching skills consistently to gain better control of the ball. Developing strategic court positioning is vital for covering your area effectively and anticipating opponents' moves. Always communicate clearly with your teammates to coordinate plays and defense. Remember, teamwork and good sportsmanship are essential for a fun and rewarding experience.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.